one, we're going to find the limit of, as x approaches 0, of sine of 7x divided by 4x. So what we want to do is write it in this form because we know that the limit as theta approaches 0 of sine of theta divided by theta equals 1. So we want it to look like this, or at least break it up to look like that. In this case, let's look at this problem. If we let theta equal 7x, then since these two are the same, then this problem here would equal 1 because these two are the same. And this one, they're not the same. So to make it look more like this one, we're going to multiply, we're going to take this part right here and multiply it by 7. And divide by 7. So this would be 4x. Now what I want to do here, it still doesn't look like this equation here. So I'm going to switch these around. This is really, if you multiply these two, that's 28. But what I can do is I can write this as 7 divided by 4. And then I'm switching the 7 and the 4. Sine of 7x divided by 7x. So we have this in front. Now the way we can write it is the limit of sine of 7x divided by 4x equals, and this is as x approaches 0, the limit of 7x, or 7/4. And I'm going to rewrite this as sine of 7x divided by 7x. Now what we want to do is bring this 7/4 up front here. So we're going to write this as 7/4, the limit as x approaches 0 of sine of 7x divided by 7x. We already know this equals 1 from here, so we get 7/4 times 1. And our answer is going to be 7/4. I put another problem here. So we want to do the same thing here. There's no 3 here, so what I want to do is multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3. So what I want to do is multiply this 3 divided by 3, sine of 3x divided by x. Now I can put this 3 here, and now I can write it as 3 times sine of 3x, and 3 times x is just 3x. So what we're going to do is write the limit as x approaches 0 of 3 times sine of 3x divided by 3x. Now pull out this 3 in front. 3 times the limit as x approaches 0 of sine of 3x divided by 3x. So we have, since I changed that, I'm going to write this as 3x as 3x approaches 0. All right. Now I can write this as 3 times the limit of theta approaches 0. So I'm going to let theta equal 3x because I'm trying to make it look like this equation. And this is going to be sine of theta divided by theta. So it's going to be 3 times 1, which equals 3. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.